In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an arrow in Microsoft Word. Arrows are simple but powerful visual tools that help guide attention, explain direction, and highlight important parts of a document. Whether you are creating a report, a tutorial, a worksheet, or a presentation-style document, knowing how to insert and adjust arrows can make your content clearer and more professional. To begin, open Microsoft Word and open the document where you want to insert an arrow. Once your document is ready, decide where the arrow should appear on the page. This helps you place it accurately without interrupting your layout later. When you are ready, move your cursor to the top of the screen and click on the Insert tab. This tab contains all the tools needed to add visual elements to your document. Under the Insert tab, look for the Shapes option. Click on it to open the Shapes gallery, where you will see different categories such as lines, rectangles, and block arrows. In the Lines section, you will find several arrow styles, including straight arrows, curved arrows, and arrows with different heads. Click on the arrow style you want to use. After selecting the arrow, your cursor will change into a crosshair. Click anywhere on the page, then click and drag your mouse to draw the arrow. The direction and length of the arrow depends on how you drag it. Release the mouse when the arrow reaches the desired size. If the arrow is not positioned correctly, you can click and drag it to move it anywhere on the page. Once the arrow is inserted, you can customize its appearance. Click on the arrow to select it, and a new tab called Shape Format will appear. From here, you can change the arrow's color, thickness, and style. You can also adjust the arrowhead type or add effects to make it stand out more clearly. These options are useful when you want the arrow to match your document's theme or highlight something important. If you need to rotate the arrow, click on it and use the circular rotation handle at the top. This allows you to point the arrow in any direction. You can also resize it by dragging the small circles at the ends or sides. After making your adjustments, click anywhere outside the arrow to finish. The arrow will stay in place and move along with your content if needed. This simple feature can greatly improve how information is presented in your document. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.